die.
Record
Am
it.
I supposed to be holding?
Yeah, your
Dog.
fucking finger's in the way.
I'll try not to get. No, dog, chill. No! That's way too far. That's way too. They hovering.
They look at it.
He's chilling. Yo, it's not a dog. Who's brave enough?
This is the Hunger Games.
It's not a fucking donkey.
Oh, come on.
Do you even fly, bro?
Come on, they got... Alright, bitch. Alright. Now watch, when I throw this out there, it's gonna be the Hunger Games. Hold on. Roll down your window.
Hell no. Throw it out in the street. No, throw it. Throw it overhead, over here.
Where?
Throw it over the roof.
I want to see them get it.
They're not cool enough. You're gonna drop it, bro. The bread's gonna break and you're gonna drop it.
I'm not breaking bread. I'm not Jesus Christ, okay? It'd been nice if I was Jesus Christ.
Not really.
Alright. I'm about to throw it here.
No.
Put the camera over there. I'm gonna chuck it over there.
Alright, ready? Hold on. I gotta put it down real quick.
Oh
Boom,
my
boom,
God.
boom, boom.
Boom, boom.
Bang, 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 bang.
Look at it.
Glut.
They're all over there.
Glut.
Rolling up my window. rolling up my window.
We have more followers than Jesus.
Yo. Oh my God.
It's this.
Well, look at it. They all are crazy. Like, mine.
Squad showed up. We're fucking deep. Oh, they're on the roof. What?
No,
What?
Oh, snap. You got any more food in here?
No, dog.
No. Alright. So, it's been a couple days. And, oh goodness. This is my zombie. I don't know if I can even get it out of the jar now. I don't think I can even get it out of the jar. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Oh, there you go. Come on. There you go. Oh God. Oh, I dropped it. There you go. So, this is my zombie. If you, like my zombie, give this a thumbs up. I can't even really do it. I don't even know what this is actually made out of, you know? But, alright, well, I'm gonna head off to bed. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Until next time, Joey St. Pierre, Breaking 365, signing out. Peace.
Me and the boys, we gonna keep on rocking.